What will your bond portfolio look like when the Fed starts cutting rates? Hello, members and super savers. I hope you're healthy and well. So here's a look at how much rates have gone up in the past few years. Many of you in our Diamond NestEgg community have benefited from these higher rates, since that's basically what we talk about on this channel. And I know some of you think that rates may still go higher, as we do, on the long end and barring significant economic slowdown. But no matter how much more runway the current rates have, no matter how high and for how long, at some point they will come down. And the question for you, bond fan, is what will your bond portfolio look like when the Fed starts cutting rates? Have you been laddering and building your bond portfolio systematically, intentionally, and knowledgeably as rates rise or stay higher for longer? Or will you be trying to catch a falling knife when rates come down? This video is for those of you here in our community who want to be here before the Fed starts lowering rates. And that's what we'll be talking about in today's video. Why we took several months off of YouTube to make sure that those of you here have the bond portfolio you want before the Fed starts cutting rates. Specifically, we want to clear up the many questions that have come in recently about what's the difference between our free videos, our 2 new bond courses, and our YouTube Super Saver membership. If you join our bond courses, do you get access to our YouTube membership, or the other way around? But the most important question is, which of these is right for you and your financial journey? As usual, here's our front of video disclaimer. For a detailed disclaimer, please refer to the end of this video. Let's dive in now, folks. As our Diamond NestEgg regulars have heard me say often, everyone's financial journey is different. And this statement is even more true today than when we first started, as our channel continues to grow. More and more of you are joining us at different ages and stages of life, and with different bases of knowledge about bonds and personal finance in general. So, for example, last year, many of you here who wanted to ladder and build your bond portfolio systematically, intentionally, and knowledgeably in the current environment, you asked us to put everything together from these 430 plus free videos we have on our channel and to add some deep dives into the market. Others of you who were or are newer to us are asking more fundamental questions, such as why should I buy I-bonds or TIPS when money market funds and high yield savings accounts seem to pay so much more at first glance? Or why buy a 52-week T-bill when you can get the same rate on a 4-week T-bill, reinvest it 12 times, and basically earn 12 times more? Now, all of these are very good and, in fact, frequently asked questions. But if you already have a bit of experience in the universe of bonds, the questions you have will most likely be different from what a bond beginner would ask. So, what we've done with our free videos, our 2 new bond courses, and our YouTube Super Saver membership is we give you the option to choose for yourself the fixed income knowledge and learning that best suits your financial journey. Think of it like going to a restaurant and being able to choose an appetizer, a main course, and or a dessert from the menu. You can pick 1 course, 2 courses, or even the full 3-course menu. So our free videos, our 2 new bond courses, and our YouTube Super Saver membership, that's the fixed income menu we've created for you. Some of you will fall into group 1, where our free videos and step-by-step tutorials will give you the information and learning you're looking for. For you, we have a huge library of 430 plus free fixed income and personal finance videos that we keep adding to regularly and that will continue to grow over time. And you can sort through this huge library on your own to find and watch what interests you most. So that's group 1, the group that may rely mostly on our free videos and step-by-step tutorials. Some of you, though, will fall into group 2, where our bond courses will teach you in a simple, structured, and effective way how to buy your first, second, or 5th bond and start building your own bond portfolio. Perhaps you want to save time and learn about bonds, a fairly complex topic, in a quick and easy to understand manner. And you want to do it now when rates look fairly attractive. You'd rather not sort through this huge library of 430 plus videos here on your own. Or perhaps what you're looking for are deep dives into TIPS, Treasury Inflation Protected Securities, our best model portfolios, and the decumulation phase of retirement, all of which we haven't really covered very deeply yet on this channel. For you, we have 80 plus videos in Bond Beginners, our foundational level bond course, and 50 plus videos in Bond Masters, our intermediate level bond course, all organized clearly and logically by me to speed up your learning process. Plus, for each course, we have 4 live online course sessions with Q&A per year, 1 per quarter basically, to supplement your fixed income knowledge and to ask your questions from the courses. Please note that these live online course sessions are included with the subscription to the courses and that there are separate live online course sessions for Bond Beginners and Bond Masters, as the material covered is different for each course. So that was group 2. Those of you who may feel that our new bond courses will help put everything together for you more quickly and easily so that you can buy your first, second, or 5th bond and start building your own bond portfolio as soon as possible. And some of you will fall into group 3, where our YouTube Super Saver membership will allow you to have ongoing dialogues about the market with me and other members. For you, we have 1 monthly member video that's generally based on member input. Recent member videos have covered dividend funds, defined maturity ETFs, and how to adjust TIPS principal values for inflation. This month's member video will focus on comparing various Schwab funds. We talk a lot about fixed income in the member zone, which should come as no surprise, but sometimes if members want, we talk about the non-fixed income universe as well. We also have regular updates about the bond market, upcoming auctions, and other opportunities, such as when we recently posted about the 20-year T-bond and specific non-callable agency bonds. So to say it again, the important point to note about our YouTube Super Saver membership are these ongoing dialogues here. Our members typically have questions that they want answered sooner rather than later, either by me or by other members, because while we do try our best to address as many questions as we can, due to the volume of comments and questions we receive, we cannot guarantee an answer to every question. These questions here are usually either general in nature or specific and fact-based. We are not able to answer questions or make recommendations that are specific to your individual circumstances, goals, and expectations in any of these settings. And whereas the live online course sessions with Q&A here for Bond Beginners and Bond Masters run once per quarter, per year, as part of this ongoing dialogue in our YouTube Super Saver membership, we also have live member Q&A sessions, which happen monthly and sometimes even more often if needed, depending on what's happening in the market. Our Super Saver members are often those in our Diamond NestEgg community who want to stay as close to us as possible and help drive the direction of our channel as it continues to grow. In fact, without their suggestions, encouragement, and support, we probably would not have been able to launch Bond Beginners and Bond Masters as quickly and efficiently as we have. So a big thank you again to all our Super Saver members for that. And because this question has come up so often, I'll answer it here. Purchasing our bond courses does not give access to our YouTube Super Saver membership. And similarly, the other way around. Joining our YouTube Super Saver membership here does not give you access to our bond courses. Our bond courses and our YouTube Super Saver membership are separate. We did try to find ways to combine both, as many of our longer standing members may recall from last year. But we weren't able to arrive at a solution where everything we wanted could work together seamlessly across 2 separate platforms. Our courses are really dedicated to learning about fixed income in a simple, structured, and effective way, whereas our YouTube Super Saver membership is focused on ongoing dialogues about current happenings in the market. But these 3 groups here, they are not mutually exclusive. Some of you watch our free videos only. Some of you add our Super Saver membership as well, or join our courses. And some of you are part of all 3 groups, our free videos, our 2 new bond courses, and our YouTube Super Saver membership. It really depends on what you feel you need and or want so that you can progress as fast as you'd like to on your financial journey. I'm a strong believer that having options in life and money is never a bad thing. And that's what we've created for you with this fixed income menu, options. It's now up to you to decide the approach that best suits you, which combination you need and or want from this fixed income menu based on your individual circumstances, goals, and expectations. Everyone's financial journey is different. So if you want to save time and get up to speed as quickly as possible on how to invest in bonds while rates are still attractive, then check out this video here to learn more about our foundational level bond beginners course. Or check out this video here on Bond Masters if you think you might be ready for an intermediate level bond course on how to build a bond portfolio. You can also find more details about both courses on our website here. I've linked this page as well as your 15% April coupon code for the courses below this video. The most popular option amongst our Diamond NestEgg fixed income fans currently is to get both Bond Beginners and Bond Masters together and save $100. Plus the 15% April coupon code, assuming you're watching this in April 2024. And if you're interested in joining the ongoing dialogues on our YouTube Super Saver membership, as well as our next monthly member live, just click on the join button below this video to become a YouTube Super Saver member. And to get more regular updates from us about the bond market, upcoming auctions, and other opportunities. All right, fixed income fans, I hope this video has cleared up many of the questions that you've sent our way recently about the free videos on our channel, our brand new bond courses, and our YouTube Super Saver membership. See you again very soon with more brand new wealth building content for your financial journey.